Hi there, my name's Shane. I'm from the Recycled Building Centre. We're here today at the Sydney HIA Home Show 2018, and I'd like to walk you through our display and what we do. As you can see behind me, this is our stand, which we've made out of recycled bricks. We've cut out a container as our display, and we've bricked up with all our bricks inside the container. If you walk over here to the front of our container, you can see that we also recycle timber. This is a piece that was on a demolition site destined to be thrown to landfill, and we've recovered it, and we've actually used a few of the pieces on one of the benches over here, and then on the other side of the room we have another bench. As you can see over here, we've got all our recycled bricks, our red blends, our bricks over here, which are a feature wall brick. As you can see, there's a sandstock brick from the 1900s here with a heart shape that's been imprinted into it, which is pretty cool. And over here we have our brown bricks. We get all our stock from houses that are doomed for demolition, and we recycle and recover all this product, and we try and do this so that we limit the carbon footprint and save all this from going to landfill. Thank you very much. Come down to the home show and check us out.